Somebody moving a stump over there. You guys, we're picking up the vacuums. There was 3, but it looks like one missing here. Yeah, looking around for scores or whatever, guys. We're just going on Marketplace and looking for stuff. Oh,
that Corona truck just went through a red light.
Yeah, that light changed very quick. Okay, let's get this cordage, guys. That's why I picked these up for the cord. Alright. Get rid of that. That's gonna go. It's a nice vacuum, guys. It's a, you know, it's a Hoover, but I just don't. I need a vacuum, but look at that cord, huh, guys? Still coming. Hold on. Oh, looks like it right there. Alright. Wow. There we go. The cords, guys. It's a nice brick right there, huh? We're gonna head out and we're gonna pick up a dishwasher on the curb. Show you when we get there.
It's dripping. We should have brought that blue blanket with us.
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Yeah. Oh, no, not really. Spiders and stuff like that. Spiders are a little heavy. Okay guys, there's the dishwasher. I had quite a bit of spiders on. I had to shake it and stuff. And I had to help her move a fence. So did that. It's in the back. It's either gonna be scrap or we'll sell it for parts.